I open up my eyes to the world, I open up my mind to it now. I open up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't take